Good morning, everyone. Today is so exciting because Vitalia and I are buying our first Bottegas ever. We are getting it in the white color, I'm pretty sure, and we already have our white Jacquemus bag, which we use so well. So we're like, we need a replacement, and that's the one, Bottega Jodi Mini. So I'm gonna take you guys to Holt Renfrew in Vancouver. We've already been to that location to look at the bag a few times because we want to make sure we actually like love it and we can actually style it. You know, it's like a big purchase. You don't want to just go in and get it. I'm not like that. I definitely have to like think about it, sleep on it, and see if I can't stop thinking about it. That's when I actually buy it. So I'll take you guys to Holt Renfrew to buy the Bottega. I'm so excited. And then I'll unbox it with you guys later at home. So let's go. I picked up coffee for Vitalia and I have parked my car. We are on our way to get our Bottega. Let's go! We are here right now and this is the bag we're both eyeing. I'm gonna try to see how much actually fits in it because I do like to stuff my bags usually, so I'm putting in my sunglasses with the case, very important to protect it. So this actually fits in perfectly, and I'm just gonna grab my card holder. This is basically all I need, and also my lipstick, and then it fits in perfectly. We wanted the white one to begin with, but now she is getting distracted. So these ones, the bigger size, have a lifetime warranty, which I think is like so amazing. I have made the purchase. I've been thinking about this bag for like I think a month now, and I haven't bought a luxury bag in like 2 years, so this is very special right now. I'm so excited to style it. I went missing for a little bit, but then I'm back and things took a turn real fast. So I have an unexpected surprise over here, which is the Celine box, but then this one, you guys already saw what happened. So this is what happened. I'm gonna take you guys back. I found a gift card that it was from Nordstrom, and if you guys don't know, Nordstrom Canada is shutting down, so you have to use your gift cards, everything, because it won't be eligible for the US Nordstrom. It's only for Canada, and Canada's shutting down, so you have to use your gift cards. Anyways, I was like, okay, I'm gonna use it today. It's probably like, I don't know, $20 in it. And then at the end of my day, I was like, okay, let me go to Nordstrom, and I asked the guy how much is in my Nordstrom gift card, and he said $800. And I was like, wait, $8? Because I actually didn't expect that. And he's like, no, 800. And I'm like, oh my god, Christmas came early. And he's like, yep, go treat yourself. And I was like, okay. So I went to Celine first stop because I love Celine. If you guys like don't follow me on Instagram, I got a tank top from them, I got sunglasses from them, like just like adore it recently. And then I was like, I've been eyeing this belt for some time. I had my eyes on it, but I didn't purchase it just because like I was just, you know, you have to like be smart about your purchases. You can't just go all of a sudden and get this. So I went in, and then they had my size, and I tried it on. It was so cute, and I actually needed a gold buckle belt because I'm slowly getting into belts. I used to not be a belt girl, but I'm slowly getting into it, and I was like, I already have a silver one, which is the YSL that Vitalia gave me for my birthday. I love it so much, and I was like, I need a gold one now. So it was like 750 Canadian, and I only had to pay like a few dollars more. So I was like, yes, perfect, and it just worked out. Are you guys like that? I feel like gifts, like whether somebody gives it to me or I give it to myself, it just makes me really happy, and it stays. Like it's not like a happiness that I'm just like happy right now, like I'm just happy forever. I'll take you guys to my room and I'll show you guys everything. I'll unbox it with you guys, and yeah, let's go. Today is a day later, but I am going to unbox this with you guys, all the goodies. I'm honestly so excited. I wore this today and I love her so much. This is my first Bottega, so She is a special one. I already put it in the dust bag, so it's like the true experience for you guys. I wish that it came in like a box situation, but it's okay. This is still very nice. I love the dust bag. Just the green Bottega is the most beautiful green ever. Can we agree on that? Are you guys ready? I am obsessed with her. Do we love her? I mean, I love her. She's perfect. I love the gold hardware on it. I just like love it. Like the zipper situation. This bag honestly was something that all of a sudden became something that I wanted because I never really loved it. I was just like, oh, okay, it's another trend. But I waited long and hard to see if it's gonna stay. And I feel like it is something that's gonna stay. I have this really pretty Chloe bag, and that one too, it's a very specific shape, kind of similar to this, but I dress that up all the time, and I know Chloe doesn't produce that anymore, so I thought this is like a similar style to that. You don't really know what brand it is. Obviously people know this is Bottega, but if you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. So I like that. I like how it's like a little bit more discreet, but the leather quality is unbelievable. It's so soft, and they're known for their leather quality. This specific bag has a 2-year warranty on it, which is nice because I wear my white bags so much. I love a white bag as much as I love my black, so I feel like this is a great addition to my wardrobe. I was a little bit hesitant. I was like, okay, this is such a small bag. It's the mini jodi, so I was like, how much can you really fit in it? So I wore it out today, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I fit. I just touched my face and the makeup transfer. I didn't want to touch it, so you have to be careful. Okay, we're gonna open her up. First of all, it's super easy to open it up and so much space inside. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have in here. It's gonna be a little what's in my bag video, and I love that. Okay, so we have the midday square because I get hangry, so I always keep a snack in my bag, you know. My wallet, it's a card holder, but it fits everything that I would ever need, so it's perfect. We have this little thing that I got at an event today. We have my favorite lip gloss. I have just something stupid. Lip liner. And my key. That is it. Honestly, it fits so much. I had my sunglasses in it earlier. This was my sunglass case. But it fits a lot inside. And I'm so impressed by it. You obviously have to be careful when you're wearing like jeans or like black leather so it doesn't transfer the color, but I'm pretty careful when it comes to taking care of my stuff. Let me know which colors you like in the jodi because they come in such beautiful colors, so maybe I'll go and get more in the future. I don't know, but for now we are gonna style her so much on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me, you should, because I already know I'm gonna be wearing this like every single day. Now for the final unboxing, we have another Celine. I feel like I've been obsessed with Celine the last few months, from having no Celine to having 3 Celines now. I'm not mad about it. I'm actually obsessed with the brand right now. First of all, Celine does such a good job with their packaging. I think it's like one of my favorite brands because no matter what you get, the packaging is like on point. So it comes in this bag, beautiful. And then it comes in another box like this. It was actually wrapped with a ribbon, but I already opened it because I did an unboxing for TikTok and Instagram. So it was wrapped with a ribbon, and then you open it, and then it's in a dust bag, and then the reveal. Oh my god, look how perfect she is. I love her so much. I cannot get enough of it. And it's like the perfect gold detail. It's so crystal gold. Crystal gold, is that even a thing? I don't know, but it's it's beautiful. Can we agree that this is beautiful? Oh my god, did I scratch it? Oh my god, I scratched it. Okay, it's fine. Nobody's gonna see that. But do you guys like how I was just saying, I take such good care of my stuff? I do, but this just hit the box. Okay, that's fine. Nobody's gonna see it. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. Nope, they're not gonna know. I know. That's what bothers me. I know. Okay, it's fine. She's beautiful and we love her. I see myself styling this with my jeans, with my skirts, on top of my blazers to cinch in my waist. So many different ways, and I just didn't have a piece like this. So I'm very excited to style it, honestly. These two pieces is what I needed to start my spring and summer wardrobe strong. So let me know if you guys have any favorite brands, or if you guys have any favorite items on your wish list that you want this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video, and let me know if you guys want me to do any other types of unboxings or just videos in general. I know this was like a vlog style and I don't usually do these types of videos, so let me know if you liked it, and thank you so much for watching, supporting me, liking, commenting. I honestly get so happy when you guys just tell me your thoughts and we connect, so don't stop. Bye.